Okay, so let's look at prefixes. What are they? So the beautiful thing with English is we can add a prefix at the start of a word to change the meaning. So by adding a prefix to a word, to a root word, we can create new words, create new meanings. Amazing. That's quite a very modular, very easy way of creating words and creating meaning for existing words and letters without having to conceive of something new. So not, impossible. I didn't think that was possible. That must be impossible. No way. Impossible. Impossible. Doing that must be impossible. And miss, so wrongly. Understand. Understood. Did you understand what I said? Did you understood the instructions? We misunderstood what you said. We misunderstand the instructions. Miss, wrongly, misunderstood, impossible, misunderstood. Very nice. Again. Again, 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 again. Doing something again, again. So, write. I have to write the lesson. Write. I need to rewrite the lesson. I wrote it, and I need to rewrite it. I learnt it, now I need to relearn it. I played it, now I need to repeat. Repeat. A little different, but repeat. Rewrite, relearn, redo, and beyond. Not. No. Not wrongly. This is not. No. So, unfortunately. Oh, fortunately it came on time. Fortunately, we have 1 hour left. Whoo! But unfortunately, oh no! Unfortunately, we ran out of time. We're over by 5 minutes. Unfortunately, it has to end. Unfortunately, that's all we have. Unfortunately, you must have missed it. Unfortunately, I don't know the answer. Unfortunately, I can't help you. But fortunately, I know someone that can. But unfortunately, he's not here. He's on holiday. Very nice. I just hope you don't misunderstand what he said. It is sometimes impossible to understand his accent. You might have to ask him to repeat what he said, or rephrase the sentence. Rephrase the sentence. Unfortunately, he's not here. It's possible he might have gone on holiday, but you might have misunderstood what he said, so ask him to rephrase. Rephrase the instructions. How cool is that? So by adding small words at the start, the prefix, we can create new meaning, we can create new things. Phrase, rephrase, write, rewrite, possible, impossible, fortunately, unfortunately, understood, misunderstood, possible, impossible, write, rewrite, and beyond. How cool is that? Let's keep going.